A phone which is super durable with protection shield on entire device including anti-drop display. Equipped with 5800 mAh battery holding just 185 gram weight. This is Honor X9B. So this is our phone, Type A to Type C data cable, transparent cover, but there is no adapter inside the box, an OTG cable and earphones. It comes with vegan ladder on the back. This is the sunrise orange color. There is an also other option where it comes with polycarbonate back and frame are also made up from polycarbonate. On top there is one microphone. On right there is power button and volume up down button. On bottom a speaker grill, type C port, a microphone and a SIM tray which support dual hybrid SIM, but there is no expandable memory card option. There is nothing on the left side of the phone and thickness of the phone is just 8 mm. It comes with 6.78-inch 120Hz 1.5K curved AMOLED display with in-display fingerprint sensor. It supports 1200 peak brightness and 92% screen to body ratio. But the main specs is this, that Unbreakable, because it comes with 360 whole device protection thanks to Honor Ultra Bonus anti-drop display. Honor has used a special material in the manufacturing process and has provided 3 layers of protection, which make it the first phone to get 5-star SGS certificate for drop resistance of the entire device. It comes with Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor which is based on 4nm, LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 3.1 storage, and N22 score is around 5,38,000 and these are the Geekbench scores. And this is the throttling test which is quite good, means we are not getting any heating issue. It's launching with Android 13 and Magic OS 7.2 out of the box. The UI of the phone is simple, neat and clean. It comes with 108 megapixel main sensor, 2 megapixel macro and 5 megapixel ultra wide. Photo samples on 108 megapixel are average, not too good, not bad. And it can record 4K at 30 fps and 1080p at 60 fps. On front it has 16 megapixel sensor and quality of selfie is okay, which can record 1080p at 60 fps. It comes with 5800 mAh battery, which is unbelievable because the thickness is just 8 mm. It supports 35 watt charging speed and it took around 1 hour and 45 minutes to charge from 0 to 100. So the things that are missing in this device, like 3.5 mm jack, stereo speaker, expandable memory card slot and no adapter inside the box, and the things that can be improved like Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 processor and Android version. So this was the review of Honor X9B. Thanks for watching.